Welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how to pay in your Fiverr account. So in order to pay, first of all, you just need to find the gig that you want to buy. So there are many services over here. Just tap on any, and after you've selected them, just tap over here to continue. Tap on what you want. Like if you want an extra fast 1-day delivery, then you need to pay $200. And if you want an additional revision over here, you need to pay an extra $80. If you want drum editing, you should also pay again $80, vocal tuning $80. They're all the services they provide. You can tap on whatever you want, and now just tap on continue. Once you do that, you'll be in this page. Now you can either choose to pay with your credit and debit cards like Visa, like your Visa card, and many others. You can write your card number, the expiration date, security code, and your cardholder's name. And once you add these details, you can just confirm and pay, and after that you will successfully paid for your gig. Or if you don't want to pay through credit and debit cards, you can also choose PayPal over here, and you can just pay through PayPal. So guys, that's how you pay in your Fiverr account. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.